Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question we were asked on Instagram about how to use the article the accurately. The first thing we have to remember is that the article the is what we know as the definite article. And what does that mean? It means that when we use it, we're speaking about something specific. For example, I don't say, I want to buy a house, any house. I'm saying that I want to buy the house in the corner. This article is one of the most, if not the most, used word in English, but we don't use it as much as we use it in Spanish. There are some rules, so let's see what they are. So as I said, we use this article when we speak about something specific. Something the other person already knows because I am showing it to them, or because I already mentioned it, or because it's unique. So for example, I can say, look at the boy in the car. It's not any boy, it's the boy that is in that specific car. Or I can say the Pope visited Canada recently and there's only one Pope in the world, so I should use the article. The same happens with presidents, there's only one per country, so when I speak about them, I say the president of the United States, for example. I can also say I lent my phone to a woman once and yesterday the woman brought some cookies. So I mentioned her once, and then the second time I mention her, I use the article. When we use the superlative, we should also use the article. For example, we say, she's the tallest girl in the class. We also use it to speak about musical instruments. For example, I play the violin. When we speak about systems and services like the police, the radio, the internet, the subway, etc. With some adjectives, we can also use the article to speak about a group of people. For example, instead of saying poor people need more help, we could say the poor need more help. And the same happens with the rich, the elderly, the unemployed, etc. If we're speaking about cardinal points, we can't use the article the if it follows a verb. For example, I can say they went to the east, but I should say they went east. With countries, we only use the article when there's a word like kingdom, state, or republic, or when they are in plural. For example, the Philippines or the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. But if I only say Venezuela, then I can't use the article. Groups of islands, mountain ranges, rivers, seas, oceans, canals, they all take the article. So I say the Himalayas, the Caribbean Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Panama Canal, etc. When we speak about families, we can also use the article. We can say the Obamas or the Kardashians. Now, when do we not use the article? First, of course, when we mention something for the first time. For example, I would say something like, there was a new girl in class. Also, when we generalize, we don't use the article. We say things like, people like things for free, because I'm speaking about people in general and not from a specific plane. We don't use it with things we can't count, the famous uncountable nouns. For example, I say, I love chocolate and not, I love the chocolate. Don't use it with universities or languages. You can say, I went to Harvard or I speak Chinese. Is there a rule missing? If so, leave it in the comments. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!